Good morning, everybody. It's Amy from Solis Bee Quilty Studio. Welcome to the last day of 12 days of goodies. Today, we're doing a little kit for everyone, and we're using the brand new pattern, or the brand new version of the pattern from By Annie's Ditty Bags 2.0. So, you will have a kit with your choice of three different styles of fabric. So we are doing the medium-sized Ditty Bag or the small. And here's one of the colorways. They're all sewing related. So this is number 1. This is this colorway right here. So you get the little sewing related background, the floral for the inside, and then this blue is your lining and all of your binding, and then the yellow zipper, just like mine. And then choice number 2 is a art gallery fabric called So Obsessed. So we have the main fabric, we have the lining, and then here's all of our binding and the handles. And then we're doing a gray zipper for it. The last one is a line I've had, but I love it, love it, love it. So sewing related, so it's kind of this pale pink with all of your sewing and embroidery stuff on it. The buttons are your lining, and then the stitching is your binding and your handles, and we have an ice blue zipper to go with it. So in the kit, you will get the fat quarter of your basel, your double-sided fusible basel. You will get all of your fabric, so fat quarters for everything. And then as an extra bonus, we have these little tags from Sarah Hart's. They're not available in my shop yet. I've just added them to this special little, so this tag I thought would be really cute with this one. And then I had this cute little star tag for this one. And then I'll show you what it looks like on the bag. So we have this super cute little tag we're using right at the end of our zipper. So this is our little flying geese. Aren't they cute? So this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. And I'm going to take pictures. Mark's going to put them on the website. So normally it would be $25 for these kits. You get it for $20. And that includes everything to make a medium or a small ditty bag. And then you have the pattern for all 3 sizes. You can go crazy and make little bags for all of your friends, or just make them as gifts or just to keep for yourself. So that's our last 12 days. Thank you for participating, and I hope everybody has a happy holiday.